Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450 and today I will show you how to right click on your touchpad. So the default way to right click on your touchpad is to use the right click button, which is pretty obvious, but you can also use a gesture by tapping tapping on your touchpad using two fingers at the same time, which will also act as if you used the right click button. And basically these are all the ways to right click on your touchpad. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.